Hey folks, plenty warm across the valley this afternoon, 91 in Rio Grande City, but look how the colors kind of fade away after that. Cool front on the move. We'll look at the temperatures in a moment. 78 in Port Isabel right now, 81 Harlingen and Raymondville, 87 in McAllen. There's our front. North of it, it's 62 in Laredo. Falfurrias is still south of the front, 86 there. Corpus Christi 60, so really a pretty sharp contrast, at least 20 degrees right behind the front. And that's the kind of thing we're going to slowly see come into the valley during the next few hours. The question is, how far south will that front go before it stalls and then turns around and goes back to the north? Fronts have to run out of steam somewhere. The question is where. The last few have been to the north of us. This one looks like it may be right on top of us, maybe a little bit down to our south. Let's take a look at temperatures around the rest of the state right now. Austin's 41. It's been to the 40s in the hill country all day. San Angelo's 30. Dallas is 38 right now. Galveston kind of holding at 73. Houston was in the 70s this morning. Front went through. They dropped down to about 50 really quickly behind that front. Behind the front, you get the front sitting right here. Behind it, an awful lot of rain, even a wintry mix of ice and snow when you get up into the northern part of Texas. So down here, when we're sitting in the 80s and you're looking at temperatures in the teens and 20s in North Texas, a big contrast across the state. But so far, just clouds here and not much in terms of rainfall. We see a shower way over just coming into the left side of the screen, but that's about it. Our front sitting to the north of us will slide into the valley this evening, and temperatures will drop when it comes in. The question is, where does it stop? The model's at odds about this. The NAM model, which is our short-range U.S. model, takes it just to the south of the valley, keeps it down there all day tomorrow. The GFS says it stops up in Brooks County somewhere, and the other one says it stops right here, right on top of us. So the question is, how long will it be here, and how long will it take to move back to the northwest as a warm front? Right now, we're looking at probably a cool day tomorrow. The front stalling just to the south of us, staying there for a few hours, long enough for us to stay chilly all day, that it moves back to the north as a warm front late tomorrow into Friday. Friday, the sun comes back out and temperatures go back up. So lows tonight, based on that forecast, 50s in most of the valley, 60s in Brownsville and South Padre Island, and then temperatures don't go back up much tomorrow. If that front stays down here, we'll stay in the upper 50s and low 60s. Now, if the front, once that front starts to move back up, temperatures will come back up. We're banking on it taking until probably late in the day for that to happen. 76 is the normal high starting tomorrow. 59 is what will be. 83, 89 though, right back to summertime really quickly. Rain chance tomorrow. I think there's a chance of a thunder shower with the front, and then light rain and drizzle behind it. Leftover stuff Friday morning. Saturday looks dry. Front pushes through tonight, stalls just to the south, moves back to the north, and by Friday it's well to the north of us. Then we watch for the next front. That comes in from the west. That'll be in the neighborhood Sunday morning and give us clouds and probably a couple of showers for Sunday and Monday, and some cooler temperatures then as well. So kind of a messy forecast for tonight into tomorrow. Really depends on where that front stalls, and the confidence is moderate, let's call it right now, not real high. 57, cloudy with a shower, maybe a thunderstorm tonight. Tomorrow, 59, cloudy, cool, spotty light rain, a chilly day. Unless that front turns around and goes back north, then that number could go up. 83 by Friday, 89 on Saturday, so any cool down that does come will be short-lived. And then another cool down on the weekend for Sunday and Monday, upper 60s with clouds, some light rain and drizzle around. Sunshine returns by the middle of next week, but even then, we're back to the 70s and even the 80s by Wednesday. That is your updated First Warn 5 forecast.